The petition, filed by Admiral Alison Madueke, RTD, stated that the respondent, Diazani Alison Madueke, is currently facing public allegations of corruption and financial misconduct, with ongoing trials for both. The continuous portrayal of Diazani Alison Madueke as the spouse of Admiral Alison Madueke is causing embarrassment, creating a misleading impression, and tarnishing the petitioner's reputation, integrity, and public image. Despite the legal dissolution of their marriage more than 2 years ago, Diazani Alison Madueke continues to use the petitioner's first name, Alison, and surname Madueke without justification or consent. This falsely suggests to the public a continuing relationship between the parties, which has legally ended. In response, Admiral Alison Madueke instructed his solicitors to address a letter to Diazani Alison Madueke, requesting her to cease the ongoing use of his first name and surname. Messrs. Foundation Chambers sent a formal letter, dated December 14, 2023, urging Diazani Alison Madueke to revert to her premarital name, Diazani Cogbeni Agama, following the legal dissolution of the marriage.